If your mortgage payment feels impossible right now, you don't have to sell your home and move out to fix it.
There's a way to sell, get your equity in cash, and keep living right where you are. Here's exactly how it works.
A sale-leaseback is when you sell your home to an investor and immediately stay in it as a renter. You get your equity out in cash, and your address doesn't change. Unlike a traditional sale, there's no moving truck, no finding a new place, and no timeline pressure to be out by closing. You sign the sale, sign the lease, and keep living your life in the same house.
A refinance replaces your loan with a new one.
You still owe money every month, and you still need to qualify based on income and credit.
A sale-leaseback removes the mortgage completely. You're no longer a borrower. You're a renter with predictable monthly rent instead of a mortgage payment, taxes, and insurance combined. Refinancing makes sense if your only problem is your interest rate. A sale-leaseback makes sense when the mortgage itself, the debt, is the source of the pressure. This approach tends to fit best in 3 situations. First, you're behind on payments, and refinancing isn't realistic because of credit or income documentation. Second, you have real equity built up in the home, but very little cash on hand. Third, you want to stay in your neighborhood, your kid's school district, or simply the home you've lived in for years. Moving isn't the goal, relief is.
If none of those describe you, a traditional sale or refinance might genuinely be the simpler route.
Here's the process, start to finish.
Step 1. You request a cash offer on sell-to-rent.com.
It takes a few minutes, and there's no cost to see your number.
Step 2. We evaluate your home and present a cash offer along with proposed lease terms.
Exactly. Your future rent, lease length, and move-in date, which is the same date as closing.
Step 3. You review everything with full transparency. No hidden fees, no fine print surprises.
You ask questions, we answer them plainly, and you decide if it works for you.
Step 4. You close on the sale and sign your lease on the same day. Your equity is wired to you, and you keep your keys to the same front door.
Your equity is the difference between your home's value and what you owe. In a sale-leaseback, that equity is paid to you in cash at closing, the same as any home sale. The difference is you're not packing a single box to receive it. Every fee and every lease term is disclosed before you sign anything, not after. You'll know your rent, your lease length, and your closing costs in advance, in writing. Nothing changes at the closing table that you haven't already reviewed and agreed to. If the mortgage is the problem, but the home isn't, a sale-leaseback lets you solve one without giving up the other.
Visit sell-to-rent.com to see your cash offer.